and controls heart diseases. You won't believe it, but consuming a glass of carrot juice regularly can actually boost your immunity. It also helps keep your heart healthy. Carrots are a rich source of vitamin A and beta-carotene, which make it effective in warding off germs. The abundance of vitamin A in carrot juice can prevent the onset of heart diseases and strokes. Reduces cholesterol. Do your cholesterol levels keep fluctuating? Try and adopt carrot juice that is way better than the commercial products boasting of 0% trans fat. Aids clotting of blood. Carrot juice has vitamin K that helps in the clotting of blood. This prevents loss of blood and hastens the healing process as well. Prevents cancer. Carrot juice also acts like an anti-cancer agent. The increased intake of carotenoids in carrot juice has been said to decrease instances of bladder, prostate, colon and breast cancers. Cleanses the liver. Carrot juice can cleanses and detoxifies the liver. The bloodstream cannot rid the body of toxins and bile through the kidneys. They have to be ejected from the skin. Carrot juice aids this process and ensures that the harmful bile is removed from the body. When the liver functions well, it prevents the accumulation of fat and aids in its rapid digestion. This prevents weight gain and obesity. Regularizes menses. Whether you are suffering from irregular cycles or painful menstruation, carrot juice can be your savior. Provides calcium. Drinking carrot juice provides calcium to our body, which is essential when it comes to pregnant ladies who need strength to carry a child. Carrot juice and weight loss. This tasty juice is extremely filling. Also, since it has a low calorie count, it is the best natural health drink for a person who is trying to lose weight. Increases metabolism. Carrot juice contains a large amount of vitamin B complex, which helps in breaking down glucose, fat, and protein. It helps in building muscle and increasing metabolism, thus helping in weight loss. Vitamin A booster. Vitamin A plays an important role in eyesight. Red-orange colored foods such as carrots, pumpkins and melons contain a pigment known as beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A when consumed by the body. This then helps in maintaining good eyesight. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.